Hey guys, it's the third day of Bangkok Auto Salon. Let me show you just what's happening in the outside area. There are a lot of interesting cars outside here. So one of those cars is these two EK9s here, which is the Mode Parfume cars. Mode Parfume does very nice car parts for the Honda, especially the EK9 with this special bumper here. This is Mode Parfume bumper. Let's check out the engine bay, man. So the engine bay is very nice, very clean. It's a B20B. Very nice. Oh, this is good. This looks good. Right. This is original EK9, guys. Even the chassis number shows EK9. Right, so Mode Parfume does the front bumper and the lip, and also the carbon fiber side mirrors here. And what I like most about the Mode Parfume cars is this spoiler. It has a carbon fiber part here. Very nice. Looks amazing. Something very completely different from the regular Civic Type R's that we see. This is something very special, guys. Very nice. The red one as well, using the same rear wing. Very nice. Rambo brakes, but this one is K-swap. So these two cars is so beautiful, man. Two Mode Parfume cars side by side.